Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. So it is Jamaica 4, Panama 1, Jamaica 4, Panama 1, Jamaica, Panama. So bless up people, hopefully you guys are doing good. Please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. This is match review, reaction, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, so the under 20 girls are out of the Concacaf under 20 women's championship, or Concacaf Women's Under-20 Championship. The Reggae Girlz are officially out after match day 3. Playing 3 match, conceding 9 goals, scoring 4. That's tough. That's tough. But let's now look at the factors in it. We were in the group of death. 2 of the top teams in world football, women's football, at that particular age, were in the same group. And they were the teams that actually amassed 95-98% of the goals that we conceded. We only conceded 1, and that was against the other team, which is Panama. So we were defeated 4-0 by Canada, 4-0 also by USA. Now, most notable, let's understand in context. We can give, it might sound like an excuse, it's not an excuse, it's just identifying and understanding in football context where you are, what you're trying to do, and where you want to reach. First of all, Canada and USA are way ahead of us in years by years where female football is concerned. So their developmental structure, this and all them up there. So which means that it's natural that these 2 teams will have a better squad than us. It's natural. Not just resources, but quality. In regards to development, the players are way ahead in years based off development. Luckily, a lot of the squad that we saw today in the under 20 can play for the next 2 seasons because they are in the age of 16, 17, 18. Majority of the squad, that's the age bracket. So that is a big positive. Now, let's have a look at this. Against Canada, I would say that was basically one of our worst performances against Canada. But as the competition, as we play more games, we get better. Why? To me, that looks as if we had just more preparation, we would have been able to represented ourselves better. Stand a better account of ourselves. Not saying that would have beat Canada or defeated USA, but I'm saying that we could have put up a better challenge. Not a 4-0, maybe a 2-1, a 2-0, something closer. So it goes to show that we need to prepare our players for these competitions that we're going into. 1 or 2 friendlies, that's not enough. That's not enough. We need more friendly games. We need more games for these players to be able to function well together. Against Canada, it was evident that most of these players looks as if this is just the first that they're playing against each other. And as the games go by, you can see that they get a lot more comfortable. Now we could say that because Panama is of less quality, maybe that's the reason why they look that way. But let me tell you, this is a but. Against America, against USA, the first half, the game ended 1-0. We look highly competitive. We were in the game. We look as if we could stand up to them. Not win, but we look competitive. We were giving a strong account of ourselves. And these are factors I'm looking at. Now in the second half, legs starting to get weary and all these things, and that's where we just capitulated and that's it. But it goes to show that there is something there. There's something within these young ladies. Something to prove, something to show that they can do something and they can represent themselves well. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see that materialize. We didn't get to see that come to fruition. So this is a message to JFF. This is a message to the coaching staff. Prepare these players the right way. Not only when the competition is right around the corner. Get them at the right place so that they will be able to perform at maximum capacity, at maximum capability. So, congratulations, girls. I wish you guys would have the opportunity to give a better account in the first 2 games. But at least we left with something, as I said, we're leaving with something in my post-match, my pre-match review. We're leaving with something, and we take something, and we're going back, and we're going to assess our performance. We're going to assess ourselves, what went wrong, how we can fix it, and we'll see how that one goes. So bless up, girls. Thank you very much for going out there and giving it your 100%. I am here to say we are with you, we are supporting you, and we are happy that you went out there, put on the colors, and you gave that account of yourself. Certainly, no result didn't go you wanted to go. No, you wanted to go further in competition. But sometimes we can assess ourselves and say, okay, this is where we are, and that is where we want to be. And that's the position that we're in right now, and we want to move from there to be where we want to be. So this is an opportunity for us to look at what we're doing and make that final assessment. Now we can push forward and be a better team. Anyways, congrats, girls. Big up to the Reggae Girlz. Big up to the team. Everyone who put in that effort. Massive respect. JFF, do better. Please do better. Please do better. Can't take any more embarrassed. Can't go up on the big stage and not get embarrassed left, right, and center. Gotta do better. All the money can't go to the senior team. The youth teams are barely scraping. Let's see if we can assess the youths as well. So big up, people. Massive respect. MG Sports TV. And we are out. Boom. Big up to you, Reggae Girlz then.